This is the HeatStorm 1500 watt space heater. This is a wall-mounted space heater. So when you get this, it comes with a template, and you put the template on the wall. You trace out where you're going to put your 4 holes at. Put your holes in, you can either put it into a stud, you can use anchors, however you want to do it. And then you just hang it up on top of where you put your screws in. We have this in our master bedroom. It's the outside facing room. It's the coldest room in the house. So we got this to supplement the heat that we have in-house already, and absolutely does the trick. Does a great job on it. You can see the side of it here where the air gets filtered through. And this is an electric unit, so it's we've got an outlet right behind here, so you just plug it in when you hang it up, and the cord stores away in the back, so you don't have any excess cord hanging around, which makes it very neat. So we've got a control panel right here, power button, you know, your typical thermostat type controls. So right now you can see we've got 71 degrees in the room. If we wanted to take it up to 75, we'd just go up to 75 or down. Different fan levels on here, low, high. We're keeping it to auto mode. And you can see we've got a timer on here if we want to use a timer. This is also a Wi-Fi unit, and it comes with an app. So it uses the Smart Life app. You can see we've got the HeatStorm heater on here. You can control it and program it, do everything you need to do with it on here right through the app, which makes it pretty awesome. It also comes with a remote control. And you can see it's even got a timer function on here, so you can set a schedule to turn it off at a certain time and turn it on at a certain time. Perfect that it mounts on the wall. It's electric, hardly takes up any room at all, and gets the job done. The HeatStorm.